Meet the Aurzen EAZZE D1R Smart Projector, compact and powerful. Enjoy crisp 1080p visuals, built-in Roku streaming, and immersive Dolby audio. Autofocus makes setup fast and easy. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Aurzen EAZZE D1R Smart Projector, cleaning kit or remote control, power cable and user manual, product overview, remote overview, how to use. To start, power on the Aurzen EAZZE D1R by plugging it in and pressing the power button. Then, adjust the image with autofocus and auto keystone for a clear rectangular display. Finally, connect to content using the built-in Roku TV or attach devices like laptops, gaming consoles, or USB drives via HDMI or USB. How to connect. Insert your USB drive into the projector's USB port. Then open the Roku media player when prompted, or launch it from the home screen to browse and play your files instantly. Connect your device to the projector using an HDMI cable, then select HDMI 1 from Picture Settings or directly from Apps and Inputs on the home screen to start viewing. Connect your iOS device and projector to the same Wi-Fi. Open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, select Aurzen Roku, enter the on-screen passcode, and your device will mirror instantly. Turn on Wi-Fi on your Android device. Enable multi-screen /smart view /wireless display. Select Aurzen Roku from the list. Confirm casting, and your screen will mirror instantly. Smart features. Access thousands of channels and apps directly with the built-in Roku TV. Stream your favorite shows, movies, and live TV without any extra devices. Enjoy crisp and clear visuals with 1080p Full HD resolution. Every movie, game, or show comes to life with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Automatically sharpens your image for perfect clarity with autofocus. Adjusts the screen shape with keystone correction for a perfectly rectangular display every time. Experience immersive sound with Dolby Audio for clear, dynamic audio. Dual built-in speakers deliver rich, balanced sound for movies, music, and games. Easily connect your devices with smart connectivity for seamless streaming. Cast content from your phone, tablet, or laptop directly to the big screen in seconds. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Aurzen EAZZE D1R Smart Projector from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Aurzen EAZZE D1R Smart Projector. See you in the next one.